Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Member. Now you can click on all of your contacts that you wish to add and click on Done at the bottom. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. To delete one of them, just hold the chosen one and click on Remove at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!